Anna?
No. Go away. Go.
Anna, please, please. I'm just going to stand right here. I'm not gonna come closer. I need to talk to you.
I don't want to hear anything you have to say.
Where's Tom? He's lying to you. He always does. He's a good liar.
I know he's a good liar. We went behind your back for months.
He's just done it to you.
I know he's cheating. I know.
Anna, he killed Megan.
We don't know that.
Anna, he's dangerous.
We don't know anything.
Anna, you need to leave. You need to leave. You need to take Evie and you need to leave. Get out of here.
No.
It's not safe.
I'm not leaving him. It's hardly the first time he's had an affair.
It's not about the affair. And you know that deep down. Anna, just come with me, please.
I'm not leaving him.
Anna, come with me. Just come with me. Anna, don't, please. I saw you, Tom, you motherfucker. I saw you, you motherfucker. You killed her. You killed her. You fucking killed her. You murderer. You fucking murderer. I know it. I saw you.